BMW Motorcycles has been providing its clientele of serious riders with a premium riding experience for over 80 years. In that time, they've developed a brand identity and promotional message that continues to attract new riders to what their advertising calls the ultimate riding machine. Lawrence Kuykendall helps BMW unify its brand message and promote its motorcycle products to its fiercely loyal market.
I think the first thing you are is the gatekeeper. You make sure that every element of communication has a unified look, adheres to sort of the brand message for BMW motorcycles. You want to ensure that nothing, because it's small enough to escape attention, fails to represent the message that you want to communicate.
BMW uses promotional methods to communicate information about themselves and their products to potential customers. From an informational standpoint, they seek to help customers become aware of products, become knowledgeable about products, like products, purchase products. Advertising helps people become aware of products and educates them about the product's features. The types of ads BMW uses depend upon its target market. Therefore, the first step they take in developing a promotional message is to decide what their target market is.
You don't choose a BMW unless you have some image of yourself as an experienced rider, or you are in fact an experienced rider. That's our cachet. It's not evidence that you are like the best rider in the world, or an indication that you're going to go to South Africa, through the Kalahari Desert. What it is an indication that those are the values that you aspire to. Most of the time, BMW riders are the kind of people who ride every chance they get. They are not the kind of people who trailer their bikes to Sturgis. They are not the kind of people who put their bike in the garage as soon as the temperature drops below 50 degrees and don't see it again until, the sun comes back up in June. Even in places like New Hampshire and Nova Scotia and North Dakota, they are riding almost all winter round, so long as there is not snow or ice on the ground. It's just the attitude that goes with the bike.
Advertising agencies work with BMW motorcycles to determine the company's central message and to create detailed content for them to use in communicating with customers through a variety of media.
My preferred way of dealing with media opportunities, with magazines or with cable stations or whatever, is to refer them to the media director at the ad agency, to accept materials from them, and I peruse them. But I use the expertise of the ad agency. And this is really important because to get good work out of people, you have to let them do their job. And if you try to mandate media opportunities to your media director, he will lose all incentive to think independently. What you do need to do is establish the strategy and agree on how the brand is supported by the media strategy, and then let him get on with his job.
The tone, type of media, and specific vehicle are all carefully crafted to make the message more appealing to the intended audience. BMW's goal is to attract serious riders looking for an exceptional riding experience. To convince customers to purchase his premium products, Lawrence helps design campaigns that send a unified and personal message to prospective customers.
Each element of the communication, the writing, the visual look, the context in which it appears, follows a certain program. The imagery, for instance, is a washed-out black and white, which has some color elements in it. So you have a visual reference, which is similar from one piece to another, even though it might be collateral, or it might be a print ad, or it might be an ad slip. The copywriting follows the same mode. It's writer-to-writer language. It's not, the corporation says you should buy our bike. It's, hey man, you got to check this bike out. It's awesome.
Next, BMW positions its products, helping people become knowledgeable about its products through many of the same media that it used to create awareness of the products in the first place. In the 21st century, one of the most potent and immediate channels to deliver large amounts of information to a wide market on demand is the Internet. BMW has a well-conceived informational presence on the web.
We don't sell motorcycles over the net. We provide information over the net. The retailer is a place where the sale is made. So what we are trying to do with the new relaunched website is to provide a virtual showroom, but also a virtual test ride. And the biggest thing is to take advantage of the chat room, the community, to make the website a place where people go to share information. And obviously that's information which may not be controlled by you. Because if it's going to work, it has to be something where people can be honest and say what they really think. It's a huge, huge risk for a company like ours, but we are doing it because it supports our brand positioning and because it's, in essence, the right thing to do.
The Internet provides BMW motorcycles with tremendous additional benefits, such as helping them to track the success of any given campaign. This helps the company stay competitive in its advertising. BMW faces the unique challenge of having to differentiate itself in its message, not only from its competition, but from its more famous sister company, BMW Automobiles, as well.
A consumer starts out not knowing a damn thing about you. He doesn't even know you make motorcycles. And that's a problem that we face in the US because the car brand is so strong, the motorcycle brand is less well known. The basic problem BMW motorcycles has is lack of awareness. If you ride a BMW motorcycle, you will often have the situation occur at a stoplight where somebody pulls up and says, "Hey, I didn't know that BMW made motorcycles." And you may have a bike that's 20 years old. So the real challenge is to get the word out to people who are not aware that you currently make motorcycles.
Through sales promotion, BMW conveys the value of their products so that the market will like their products. Personal selling is the oldest technique of promoting a product. It is also the most difficult to execute, as it requires a certain trust between the buyer and the seller. In addition to BMW's own sales force, strong brand loyalty converts some of BMW's ridership into product champions. As independent spokespersons for the company, motivated by nothing more than great experiences with BMW products and services, and the desire to share their experiences with other riders, such brand loyalists carry a tremendous credibility with potential customers that sales representatives cannot.
We need to induce what we call the missionary effect. And what that means is making the retailers and the individual riders missionaries for the brand. It means making them so enthusiastic about what we're doing on the national level that it pervades the regional and the local levels, and finally the individual level. If perhaps we provided the Bible, what we now need is for these guys to pick up that marketing or the thing that's expressed in the marketing and go door to door, so to speak. And that means the writer feels so in tune with the brand message that he goes out and he talks to people who don't know about BMW, and one by one he converts people to the brand.
Ultimately, the goal of promotion is to increase sales. Companies seek to stabilize sales volume and to adjust demand to inventory by persuading customers to purchase their products. But every element of promotion must fall in line if such control is to be exercised effectively.
You know what happens when you don't advertise? Your sales go down. And when your sales go up, you know, the ad guy says, "Great, we ran great ads, our ads went up." And the sales guy goes, "No, I was selling harder, that's why our sales went up." And the product manager says, "No, we came out with great product, that's why your sales went up." So the hard answer to that question is, we don't know. What we do know is that if you don't advertise, your sales are not going to increase. Probably a combination of all three, product, sales efforts, and incentives and advertising are needed in order to have the highest opportunity for sales increase.
BMW Motorcycles has proven its ability to convey its message worldwide to different markets and to translate that success in communications to sales. In the year 2000, BMW Motorcycles sold almost 75,000 motorcycles, totaling almost $1 billion in deliveries. The company is well positioned to continue providing its fanatically loyal ridership with premium motorcycle products.